Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. So in this update, we are going to talk about Chainlink. And if you remember in the previous Chainlink video, we talked about the possibility of bottom being in right in here. And I said this can be a complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure down into the C leg of a running flat, which started from this point in here back in March of 2024. Now, what do we need to see at the moment in Chainlink in order for us to talk bullish with quite a bit more confidence and say potentially the bottom is set? Now, I want to be very clear at the beginning. In Chainlink, overall, as long as we are staying above this important support, we are definitely looking optimistic. So this means even if we get another move down and take this low, but at the same time, we don't really get a very strong break of this level and we manage to have a very strong bounce back. And this thing at that point is going to count as a fake out. Okay, even at that point, we are going to be bullish in Chainlink. But the question is, can we say we're not going to go down anymore? The answer is maybe. You see, if you want to argue the bottom is going to be in right around here, you need to be able to find off of the lowest low a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure on the upside. This specific example is a normal 5 wave. Rules for it are we should not have overlapping of the waves between wave 2 and 4, and in any kind of impulsive structure, wave 3 should not be the smallest wave, and for our sub waves, we must be able to find 5 up into wave 1, 3, and 5. Sorry about that. Okay. And for wave 2 and 4, let's say, yeah, ABC into 4 and the WXY into wave 2. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is happening in Chainlink. Okay, so the best bullish possibility that I can come up with at the moment is having a series of 1-2s. I can tell you, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. I would say kind of a clear one into a wave 1, followed by that a correction for wave 2, and after our move down is over, or who knows, maybe it's over already, we're gonna get a decent move up into wave 3, 4, 5, and at that point, this white 5 wave is going to be into potentially a larger degree wave 3, correction for 4, another move on the upside into wave 5. So for now, if you want to be absolutely bullish in Chainlink and you want to argue that the bottom is set in here, this is going to be your best shot at finding an impulse, which suggests, this is a very important point, we have to see a very strong move up in the next 24 to, I would say, 48 hours, basically ASAP, in order to complete the subwaves for this wave 3. Because in terms of Elliott waves, wave 3 is quite a strong move. That's why I want to say you need to see a very strong move up and not some sort of a choppy price action, something like this. If you see this one, that's not going to be a good sign. Now, every single scenario should have a very important invalidation point for it. And what's it going to be for this one? You probably know it in case that you are a regular viewer of the main channel. It's actually going to be taking this low in here about $12.70. So if we see a move down in Chainlink and in that move we take this low, at that point we're going to say, you know what, maybe we are going to continue this move down in order to also take the lowest low down here as well. And then I'm hoping that we get a very strong bounce in form of an impulse in order for me to be optimistic and say we got a very strong bounce back from this very important support area, which is from daily and weekly time frame at the same time. So for now, let's be optimistic, but at the same time, pay full attention to this important level. And let's hope that we are not going to take it. And for example, from here, or maybe even a build door, we're going to get a very strong move up. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Chainlink. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.